أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. The Honorable Principal, the Honorable Chief Guest, the Honorable Teachers and dear audience, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Now I am talking about our madrasa education system. The history is very glorious. The need for madrasa education was filled by our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when the Holy Quran was given to him. The subject of the teaching or the Quran, the Hadith, the duties and responsibilities of a Muslim. The name of my madrasa is Darul Ihsan Mohila Madrasa. It is situated at Rupganj Upazila in the district of Narayanganj. It has a long two-storied building. It faces the south. There are 8 expert teachers here. The teachers are very good. They take care of us like our parents. I love my madrasa very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.